Sarah from Edwiser, and today we're diving into an exciting topic: how to create a Contact Us section for your Moodle site. The best part, no coding is required. Let's get started. Here, we will see how to add this beautiful Contact Us section with a map and contact details. This is a vital part of your e-learning site, offering learners a way to connect with you, ask questions, or seek help. Let me delete this block for now so that we can show you how easy it is to add this section. Start by selecting the appropriate region for your block. Here, I will choose the full-width top region. Now click the Add a Block button to open our block library. Let's add the contact design one block by simply clicking on it. Fantastic! You've added your block. But now let's click on Live Customizer to match your style and content. Select the Maps component on the canvas to change the location. Once selected, we can add our address, choose the map type, and zoom. With the Live Customizer, editing is easier than ever before. Now let's customize and style the content of the section. We can change the content as per your requirements and even change its color. Once you are done with all the changes, we can click on Save Changes and disable the Edit mode to preview the final results. Congratulations! You have successfully created the Contact Us section using Edwiser Page Builder. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials on Edwiser Page Builder, subscribe to our YouTube channel.